Good morning, everyone. Today we'll be starting our web design masterclass. Okay, but if you've watched our info session the last time, you should be already having XAMPP and WordPress installed in your local machine. But if you didn't watch it, you can watch that one in this video description. The link is there. So we are going to look at how to install WordPress. In the info session, we'll look at how to install the XAMPP. So here we'll be looking at how to install WordPress. So but before you start installing the WordPress, you need to open your XAMPP app. So this is my XAMPP app. Let me click on it to open. Okay, this is my XAMPP app open. So here you are starting only two packages, that is the Apache and MySQL. So when you look at them, you just click on the start on those services. You click on start on Apache and start on MySQL. So those two services will start. So before you start creating your WordPress or installing your WordPress, you need to start these two packages. If you don't start it, it's not going to work. So after starting it, let's mute and go to our downloads and find our WordPress folder. So I'm going to my download to find my WordPress folder. So this is the WordPress folder that I'm talking about. So you click on this folder. Inside it, you see another WordPress folder. So you copy this one. So we are going to click Ctrl C and copy it. After copying it, you are sending it to your XAMPP folder. That one is located in the local deck C. So you locate it here. So when you click on local deck C, you see XAMPP. So you click on that one. So when it opens, you go to htdocs. That's where all the websites that will be created will be located. So you see that if you are doing it for the first time, you see different things here. Once I've created different websites using the WordPress, all these are the websites that I've created. So we are going to paste the WordPress folder inside this htdocs. So Ctrl+V. So let's wait for it to complete pasting. Okay. So as we are waiting for it to finish, there is a need for us to do another thing. That is to create a database for it. So let's go to our web browser. To create a new database, you have to come to this URL, localhost/phpMyAdmin. So you have to come to this URL, localhost/phpMyAdmin. Okay, let's wait for it to open. So once the localhost/phpMyAdmin opens, you see that I've already created different databases. So when you look at the left side, that's where the databases will appear. So I've already created different databases, but if you are to create a new one, you just click on the new at the top. And it's going to open a new interface. So once it opens like this, you write your database name here. So here I'll be writing WMC WordPress Masterclass. That will be the name of my database, and click on create. Okay, the database has been created. So you've now seen that when you look at the left side again, you now see WMC listed among the databases. So localhost / the name of your site, and here the name is WMC. So press enter. Let's see what happens. Okay, so this is where we begin the WordPress installation. So you come and press let's go. Okay, so we are just about to be. So here it's telling us that we are going to enter some information, and you need to be careful here. So here we are putting in the database that we created, that is this one. So let's go to the database and you see localhost. Okay, so we are entering WMC in the database name when installing. So here we'll enter WMC. So the username. So in WordPress or in this thing, the XAMPP this thing, the username is always root class. That's the name of our website, and the user. So you put your username there. So I'll just put my name, Harun. Okay, so here to create a password. So you need to create a strong password. So let me enter my password here, which is 00011 at Harun Okay, so it will tell you that my password is weak. It doesn't. You can change it to a strong password. Okay, so you also add your. So because we are using a weak password, you need to confirm this one. That confirm weak password, else it will reject it. You need a strong password to do the connection. But once you are using a weak password, you need to click on this one to confirm that it should use a weak password. And after that, you also add your Gmail account. And when that one is done, you click install WordPress. So let's install it. Okay, so it has been installed. So we need to now log in. So the login that will enter, it will be your username. Okay, let's log in. So here you are entering your username. In my case, it was Harun, and the password was 0011 at Harun. So let me see. Yeah, 0011 at Harun. So let me click to log in. If you are facing any challenge, you can comment in the distance. You can comment so that I'll be able to see what challenge you are facing and respond. Congratulations, we've successfully created our WordPress website, and this is the dashboard. That's the back end of the website. And if you want to go into the front end, you come here. So you see visit site. So you just click on that one. So I want to open it in a new tab, so I'll just click new tab, and that one will open. The front end will open. So let's wait for the front end to open. Okay, so we've successfully created a WordPress website, and hope you understood all the steps that you need to follow in order to make this a successful one. And if you are facing any challenge, you can just drop on the comments and I'll get back to you. So this is the WordPress. So here is the title, WordPress Masterclass, and this is the sample page. Okay. So this is the back end again. So here is where you do all the customization so that the interface, the front end, will change. So thank you very much for watching this part, and we'll see you in the next lesson.